Attention fellow veterinary practitioners. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing product that will revolutionize your IV therapy practices. The Covetrus breakFREE Breakaway IV Connector. As we all know, IV therapy is an essential aspect of our daily veterinary practice, and it's crucial that we ensure patient safety and minimize disruptions during treatments. That's where the Covetrus breakFREE Breakaway IV Connector comes in. This innovative IV accessory is designed to separate when harmful force is exerted across the IV line, preventing line breakage, dislodgements, and wasted medication. The Covetrus breakFREE Breakaway IV Connector connects with standard ISO lure connectors, making it compatible with your existing equipment. The anti-reconnect feature ensures there's no risk of contamination after separation, keeping your patients safe. But here's the best part. Covetrus breakFREE Breakaway IV Connector has been proven to reduce all IV restarts by a staggering 65%. Just imagine the time and resources you'll save by avoiding those frustrating restarts. And let's not forget, it eases your workload, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, delivering excellent veterinary care. Additionally, its recessed valves prevent bacterial contamination for up to 2 hours after separation, further protecting your patients from infections. The benefits don't stop there. The Covetrus breakFREE Breakaway IV Connector allows you to restart infusions in just seconds without having to replace catheters, administration tubing, or medication. This not only saves time, but also reduces overall costs for your clinic or hospital. Picture this, a stress-free IV therapy experience for both you and your patients. That's what the Covetrus breakFREE Breakaway IV Connector delivers. No more wasted medications, no more disruptions, just smooth and efficient treatments. Check it out exclusively at Covetrus.